what's going on. Today is Tuesday the 22nd. You can barely see it, but I already got ready for work. I'm going to work today, and here is a little look on what I did. I'm kind of balding on this spot, so yeah, let's ignore that. But yeah, I curled my hair. I'm running on day 5 of dirty hair. I don't really know, but we're gonna push through and see how long we can make it. I mean, I might wash it tonight, honestly, but I wanted to look cute, be cute today. I got the curls, and I've been loving how I've been doing the curls lately. Like, that's how I want my curls. Usually the curls are like, and they're not cute, but anyways, I have to go to work at 3. It's only 1:30. I'm gonna leave around 2:30 to get there on time and have a little time for myself. Hi, Toby. You wanna say hi? Oh, yeah, she wants to say hi to everybody. Oh, you're so sweet, Toby. You're so sweet. You're saying hi to everybody? Oh, okay. She is so big now. Like, just look at her. She's big. She's a big baby. You big baby, Toby. Yeah. You big baby, huh? We are watching Wizards of Waverly Place. It's on Hulu, so I'm taking advantage. And I'm rewatching it. And we are making some bagels so I can have this for like a snack while I'm at work. And then I'm going to wrap it in some aluminum foil so it stays as hot as possible. And then I'm adding this chive and onion cream cheese that we got from Walmart yesterday. So I'm gonna eat those. I'm also gonna add an egg to my bagel just so it can be a little bit more filling, and I'm excited to have that later. Ooh, it's hot. Now this side. I'm actually gonna cook 2 of the eggs, just so I can get rid of them. I have a lot of eggs at home. It's like a light dab. Yeah. Here's my bagel. Here are my eggs. Here's my lunch. Here's my egg. Might do another egg actually. And I'll just have 2 meals, 2 snacks, 1 per property. Because I'm going to 2 different properties today. So we'll have 2 of that, and then I can just fold it in half. There you go. Now they're both secured in here. Hey you guys, I'm back home. I showed you guys, I vlogged a little bit while I was at work. Obviously I'm not gonna vlog while I'm at work, but I did go to a few buildings today, and they had really cool amenities or cool rooftops for the most part. I am gonna spend this week trying to figure out what my next few weeks is gonna look like, because I do definitely need to know, and I need to make sure that she gives me the hours and not someone else, because that's gonna be so annoying. But anyways, I'm going to change out of my work clothes. I'm gonna put this same outfit back on tomorrow when I go to work, but this time I'm gonna bring like a blazer instead because I was wearing my thick jacket and I wanted to take it off, but I have this, so yeah. So anyways, I couldn't like take off my jacket. I didn't get to eat my bagel, so I think I'm gonna eat that right now because I'm pretty hungry.